Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S23 FE is generating significant buzz in the tech world as it promises to deliver impressive performance at an affordable price point. Recent leaks from its 10A certification in China have provided us with actual images of the device, shedding light on its design and specifications. From the leaked images, it's clear that the Galaxy S23 FE maintains a design language consistent with previous Samsung models. The device sports a 6.3-inch display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, offering a vibrant visual experience. Under the hood, it is expected to feature an octa-core processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US and the Exynos 2200 in other regions. This processing power will be complemented by up to 8 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. One notable design feature is the circular camera cutout on the back, a design element seen in many of Samsung's recent releases. The rear houses the camera setup along with an LED flash, maintaining a clean and minimalist appearance. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S23 FE will be equipped with a 4370 mAh battery and will offer 5G support, catering to users' demands for fast and reliable connectivity. The device is expected to make its debut in India soon, possibly by the end of the month, with an anticipated price tag of Rs. 54,999, approximately $663. As for its global availability, it is likely to reach markets worldwide in due course. Intriguingly, the latest leak also hints at the return of a rare shade of purple for the Galaxy S23 FE. Samsung's product codes for its Galaxy phones often provide clues about color options, and this time, it appears that the device will come in at least 4 color choices, with one possibly reminiscent of the old Galaxy S9's purple hue. As the launch date approaches, leaks and rumors continue to paint a more complete picture of the Galaxy S23 FE, generating excitement among tech enthusiasts and Samsung fans alike. With its promising features and an attractive price point, the Galaxy S23 FE looks poised to be a compelling offering in the mid-range smartphone market.